Sustainable immigration ang naging paksa sa anunsyo ni Immigration Minister Lina Metlej-Diab sa Toronto, Miyerkules. Dinagdagan ang kategorya sa Express Entry System na makapagbibigay daan daw sa permanent residency ng mga kinakailangang manggagawa at profesional ng bansa ngayon. Ang detalye hatid ni Paula Saraza.
Bukod sa mga kasalukuyang Express Entry System categories gaya ng French language proficiency, mga manggagawa sa piling mga sektora tulad ng healthcare, STEM at trades, ilan pang bagong kategorya ang idadagdag ng Immigration Canada.
Right now, my department is investing a great deal of focus and energy on attracting and retaining global talent, bringing in the right people to help build a stronger future.
Sa anunsyo ni Immigration Minister Lina Metlej-Diab sa Toronto, Miyerkules, hakbang daw ito ng Ottawa para makapang-akit ng mga talentong kinakailangan ng bansa. Kabilang sa mga bagong kategorya, foreign military applicants, gaya ng mga recruited na doktor at nurse ng Canadian Armed Forces, transport professionals, mga piloto at aircraft mechanics, gayon din ang researchers at senior managers na may Canadian work experience.
This category and other priority categories supports Canada's defense industrial strategy, which Prime Minister Carney announced yesterday, by adding a range of workers critical to support our sovereignty and security.
Noong 2024, matatandaang nagpatupad ng International Students Cap ang federal government at kamakailan lamang tinanggal ito para sa international grad students o mga kumukuha ng master's at PhD programs.
Now, not all of these students will want to stay permanently, nor can we keep all of them permanently, but we do want them to come and study.
Bagamat naiintindihan daw ang intensyon ng gobyerno sa anunsyong dagdag na kategorya sa Express Entry System, apila ni immigration lawyer Ludang Zalan.
Ang question ko dito, magdodraw ba sila? If you look at the draws in the past, if you look at STEM specifically, which is supposedly a high priority category, they haven't done a draw for STEM in a while. The last STEM draw they did was in April 2024.
Dagdag niya, kailangan linawin din ng ahensya kung kailan aasahan ang mga inaabangang category-based draws.
Unless there's commitments from the government that they are actually going to do those draws to attract and retain those researchers, those mathematicians, actuarial scientists, then this is nothing but a virtue signaling session.
Samantala, sinabi naman ni Diab na nakatakdang gawin ang unang round ng Express Entry Draw sa medical doctors sa mga darating na araw. Tumugon din ang Immigration Minister sa mga apela ng ilang premier kaugnay sa hindi pa rin nagbabagong desisyon ng Ottawa na bawasan ang bilang ng mga tinatanggap na temporary foreign worker.
I would also encourage employers and businesses to look at the non-permanent resident population that is already in Canada, that have open work permits, that they can also employ them.
Paula Saraza, Omni News, Toronto.